Well, with Ajmal Kasab hanged to death, the clamour to execute 2001 Parliament attack convict Afzal Guru has peaked.
But the timing of Kasab's execution ahead of that of Afzal Guru smacks of political convenience playing a major role in such an important act of justice.
Ajmal Kasab, the only terrorist involved in the 26/11 attacks to be caught alive and convicted, has been executed. But now, the million-dollar question that looms large is, what about Afzal Guru, convicted in the December 2001 Parliament attack case? The BJP, which has dubbed the timing of Kasab's execution as political, with 2 elections underway, especially the one in Gujarat, has demanded that Afzal be hanged next.
Afzal Guru संसद के ऊपर हमले के दोषी हैं। 6 वर्ष से अधिक हो गए, सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने उनकी अपील को निरस्त कर दिया, उनके रिव्यू को रिजेक्ट कर दिया, उनके बाकी एप्लीकेशंस को रिजेक्ट कर दिया। अभी तक कार्रवाई क्यों नहीं होती है? मैं उम्मीद करूंगा कि भारत सरकार अब क्षमादान की पूरी प्रक्रिया को एक्सपीडाइट करेगी।
We are expecting the pressure of the peoples of the country is more important, and we are a democratic country, and the peoples of the country want immediate action on Afzal Guru should be taken again.
BJP pushed to the back foot also had Gujarat Chief Minister Narendra Modi tweeting. He asked, what about Afzal Guru, who attacked Parliament, our temple of democracy, in 2001? That offence predates Kasab's heinous act by many years. But the political theory behind Kasab's execution gains credence going by the manner in which the government has dealt with the hanging of not only Kasab but also the 3 killers of former Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi, Santan Murugan and Ferrariwalan, and the execution of Balwant Singh Rajona, sentenced to death for the assassination of former Punjab Chief Minister Abhyant Singh. In the case of Rajiv Gandhi's killers, the Tamil Nadu Assembly even passed a resolution calling for clemency. With its ally, the DMK, against the hanging of the trio, the government showed no spine. Earlier this year, the execution of Balwant Singh Rajona, who murdered former Punjab Chief Minister Abhyant Singh, was put off following political protests in the state and repeated pleas for clemency by not only the Shiromani Gurudwara Prabandhak Committee but also the BJP partner Punjab government. But with the opposition now questioning the government over delay in executing Afzal Guru, the Home Minister has claimed that the file would not be kept pending for long.
At the moment this only file had come to me, I have dealt with.
No tears have been shed in Kasab's hanging for the terror siege that happened in 2008. But the lack of spine by the government in dealing with similar kind of situations in other equally crucial cases smacks of political considerations in such executions. Bureau Report, News X.